Certainly. Before anything else, ma'am, may I know who's on the other line and your phone number, please?
I'm Kirsten and Harris from room 1061.
Thank you, ma'am, for the selection of our breakfast. We have American, continental, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you prefer, ma'am?
I want to order American breakfast, please.
Alright, ma'am. For your American breakfast, we have the following: ham with sunny side of egg and bacon with sunny side of egg. Which one you prefer?
I would like the ham with sunny side of egg.
Which one would you prefer to have in your bread, ma'am? Butter or mayonnaise?
I'll go with butter.
And for your fresh fruit, we have orange, mango, and apple. What do you prefer?
Mango would do, please.
How about for your juice? We have orange, pineapple juice, iced tea.
Iced tea is good.
Would you like to have your coffee?
I would love some coffee too, with sugar and creamer, please.
Certainly, ma'am. You have already a complete set of American breakfast. Is there anything else?
None.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? You have ordered ham with sunny side of egg, bread with butter, mango fruit, iced tea, and brew coffee with sugar and cream. Did I take it all correctly, ma'am?
Yes, that is all correct.
May I ask how many people your order is for?
Good for one person only, please.
I take note. How would you like to settle your bill? Cash, credit card, or charge to your room?
I'll settle it in cash.
Your bill is for 100 pesos. May I know how much your cash for me to bring on your change?
I have 500 peso bill in hand.
Alright, ma'am, your order will be served at room 1061 after 20 minutes. Please feel free to call the room service if you have any additional order. Thank you for calling and have a nice day. Good morning, chef. For room 1061, ham with sunny side of egg, bread with butter, mango fruit, iced tea, and brewed coffee with sugar and cream for one person.
Okay, Miss Martin. Noted.
Thank you, chef.
Ano? Oh boy, good morning ma'am. I'm Andre Malaka and here's your room service order. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Excuse me ma'am, where would you like me to set up your food?
On the table, please. Thank you.
Ham with sunny side up, bread with butter, mango fruit, iced coffee, iced tea, water. Excuse me ma'am, may I present your bill now?
Yes, please.
Excuse me ma'am, here is your bill.
Thank you.
Here is your change ma'am.
It's a little bit for you.
Thank you so much ma'am for your thoughtfulness but we don't accept it.
It's fine. Thank you.